Hey guys, hope y'all are doing well today. Today is January 3rd, 2025, and there's a lot I want to talk about today. We're going to look at some crypto news. I also want to show you Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, and then we'll also look at some low cap meme coins that I think have a lot of potential in 2025. Now, before I continue, I just want to preface that these videos are for entertainment purposes only, and that this is not financial advice. And let's just go ahead and just jump right into the video now. So there's been a lot going on just in the past couple days already, but I'm gonna keep this. I want to keep this video positive. So let's. I want to talk about Elon Musk right now because he's recently been posting a lot more about Pepe, and just yesterday he made this post, and in the post it says here. So a client bought $7,000 worth of Cumrocket and staked it for 3 months to earn 69,000% interest. Then they sold and took the profits to invest in NFTs, but the dev rugged the project and they only managed to liquidate 10% of the funds. Can the client deduct gas fees for the minting and balance out the short-term capital gains taxes from the cummies? And then it says hello. And so you just got like Pepe here like trying to do his crypto finances. So I thought it was funny. I think it's just interesting because I didn't actually realize that Elon Musk has a lot more understanding of like the crypto meme culture than I thought. And if you know anything um, about the last bull run, Cumrocket was a meme coin that was like one of the shittiest coins you could have bought, but it actually did really well, even considering it was like one of the crappiest coins you could have bought. I don't even know if it serves a utility, or I think it might have, but the point is that this has pumped this coin quite a bit, and it says here that it was up almost 69% in 24 hours. And if you were able to kind of catch that tweet or his post, maybe before that, then you could have made some nice profits. It was sitting at like a 6 million market cap, and it shot all the way up to like 30 million. So that's, I think, just shows you the power of like you know someone like Elon Musk who has so much influence over where people's attention can flow. And crypto, especially meme coins, is about attention. It's about speculation, and wherever attention goes, that's usually where money flows. So you have to follow. If you follow some of these influencers, especially like Elon Musk, really anything, if they make a post or they share a meme or something, it's very likely that someone's gonna go make the meme coin, and then that coin's gonna pump. So just staying involved on crypto news can give you an advantage. I don't even want to call this the news, but this is just like kind of staying up to date with what some of these influencers are posting. So this is good news for Pepe, and also going forward, I think that Elon Musk is going to start using Pepe more as like a vessel to showcase his humor and his political views. And we already know that like Trump has used Pepe in the past, but going forward, I think Elon Musk is showing more of a transition into uh, using Pepe as like a character in his personal, beliefs, and that's good news for Pepe, especially meme coins and any of these like uh, related Pepe coins or derivatives of Pepe. So I want to just pull up some charts. I want to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm by no means like some kind of uh, expert at reading charts. I just think it's important to have exposure to looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum every so often. If you can, like every day, you should kind of do a little bit of a technical analysis of where things could move, so you can feel it can help you just feel more confident too about your positions. And I think most people who are in crypto are probably not holding Bitcoin right now because, I mean, you probably already understand that you're not going to really make life-changing gains by buying Bitcoin in a short period of time. But it's important to stay um, up to date with where Bitcoin is moving and where it could move. So in the past 7 days, we saw, it was kind of scary because, of course, it was the first of the year. Bitcoin got as low as 91,000. and I did think it was going to go lower actually, especially with all the crazy news that was coming out, all the negativity and that's going on in the world. There's just a lot of hatred, and that's like to be expected. There's so much fear, and it's unfortunate that there's people like that that just want to hurt others, and it seems like that's um, not something that obviously we want to see, but it does impact the way people feel about their holdings, and you could clearly see that here on Bitcoin. And now that we're kind of, I think things are moving in maybe a more positive direction, and we're getting closer to um, January 20th with Trump coming into office. I think there's more optimism for a better future, and that's why we could start to see crypto do better, and we could start to see Bitcoin start to move um, up to higher prices. So overall, I hope that we can start to see Bitcoin break above 100K, and if we do, that's going to be good news for our other cryptos. And let's go ahead and look at Ethereum, because Ethereum's in a unique position right now, and it's been consolidating here. It's around this $3,500 for several weeks. But then if we look at it even further in a year, we can see Ethereum has been really struggling to break above this $4,000 mark, and it seems to be like a real psychological um, area where Ethereum has been struggling to hold above 4K, and I think we're closer to that point where Ethereum can start to maybe consolidate above 4K, and then we can start to break all-time high. We still haven't broken all-time highs, and I think a lot of people forget that Ethereum is yet to get above its previous all-time high, even though Bitcoin has already broken its all-time high. And but I think most of the attention is going to be shifted on Ethereum in the next few months, and that's also just going to be good news for any of the cryptos that you're holding that are on the Ethereum chain. So if we look just in the past, you can just see right after a Bitcoin halving, usually Ethereum tends to do pretty well. We can see that from January, it has done really well in the last bull run, and then also if we look as far back as 2017, you can see January was a good year for Ethereum as well. And I think that attention is going to start rotating into Ethereum, and that's going to be good news for any of these other Ethereum related coins or coins that are on the Ethereum chain. And of course, it's going to bring me into talking about Pepe, because Pepe is on Ethereum. And if we just look at what's going on with Pepe, we can see that Pepe is starting to trend back up, and it looks like maybe we could start to maybe find some kind of consolidation here around here. And then if we also pull out more on the macro here, we can see that February, right here, late February, we can see that Pepe had this massive run um, into mid-March, and maybe we could see something like this happen again. And I think it's possible. If we look at what happened also when Pepe was originally created, it had a really big run too, around late April and May. So maybe it seems if things rhyme and things repeat, then we could see Pepe do a very big move in the next few months, which is going to be very good for any of our Boys Club related meme coins. And that's going to bring me into talking about some of these low cap meme coins that I think that are very overlooked and um, undervalued right now. So again, these are meme coins, so just remember that. Please, if you're considering looking at any of these or any of these projects, just remember, just uh, be be buying only what you're considering, comfortable with actually losing. So right now, I want to show you this project because I do think it's positioned to do extremely well in 2025, and there's a lot of different things and a lot of factors that I believe are going for Baby Pepe, and I think that it's really in a position to have a lot of attention flow into it. Now, Pepe, first of all, this is my opinion, but I think a lot of other people are coming to the conclusion as well, that Pepe is a multi-cycle meme coin. And um, I've been listening to this guy who's talks a lot about what you're trying to find in a meme coin, and I need to make a separate video talking about some of the things he describes, because um, I think it's interesting, and these are kind of things that and factors you want to look for in finding a low cap, meme coin that can help, uh, that could do well. So first of all, Pepe to me is going to become a multi-cycle meme coin, and Doge has positioned itself to be a multi-cycle meme coin. We've seen it, survive a lot, and even in the past when it was in 2021, it got as high as almost 100 billion market cap, and there was a lot of different derivative. There were derivative plays off of Doge just from the fact that Doge, did so well. That's why we see all these derivatives, all these dog coins now that have done extremely well, because I think people forget that um, the all the dog related coins are pretty much just derivatives of Doge. So if Doge is up and doing well and running, then you can kind of anticipate that your other dog coins are going to do well if Doge is doing good. But if Doge is down, then most likely any dog related coins are probably not going to move too, or not going to move as much. But my point is that Doge inspired a lot of derivative coins, and that created like Shiba Inu, which of course we know that is doing extremely well. And then now we have Pepe, which is like the new hot thing. That's like, right, that's where a lot of people are attention. A lot of people are using Pepe right now as a way of kind of expressing how they feel about the world, and that's why I think Pepe is going to become more of a multi-cycle meme coin, and we could start to see it, get move up the ranks, and um, possibly flip Shiba Inu maybe later in this bull run, and but ultimately what I'm trying to look for is something a narrative that's easy and simple to understand, and I think that this easiest narrative right now the the Pepe narrative and the derivatives of Pepe. And right now, um, there's the narratives that I see that are the simplest to understand. That's going to be easiest for like normies to buy into are going to be the Boys Club narrative, like your Andy, your Brett, and your Landwolf, and even Bird Dog. But talk about that later. But then also the baby narrative as well. And now if we look at what happened with Baby Doge is sitting at a 556 million market cap right now. And at one point, Baby Doge actually got almost as high as a billion market cap. And even in the past couple months, we've been seeing Baby Doge have a pretty nice move. Uh, and if you were able to position yourself here and buy Baby Doge, then you would be doing pretty well in profits right now. And one of the main reasons why is because Doge, of course, has been doing really well too. So we saw Elon Musk make a lot of posts in last year, with the whole Doge committee, or that he's like resurrected or whatever to like fix the economy and everything. So that's brought a lot of attention to Doge, and that only just drives the price of these other derivative coins. So Baby Doge already positioned itself though as a great derivative to Doge, and if we see, in the previous cycle, we saw a lot of profits start to rotate into these smaller cap or lower cap derivative plays that could have higher potential to make profits. And now if we look at, the position where Pepe, the current market cap of Pepe right now is around 10 billion, or it's getting close to 10 billion. If we look at where uh, Doge is sitting at 55 billion. Now, when I'm looking at Baby Pepe, I'm just like, this is now it's sitting close to a 6 million market cap. There's still so much upside potential for this project, and they've really positioned themselves to be the leading Baby Pepe going forward. And if we look here, there's they're starting to get the exchange listings, which is really nice because we definitely want to make it easier for people to be able to have access to buying baby Pepe. And also, it's just the higher tier exchanges that we can get to are just going to increase the confidence in the project and allow, push the price action up higher. But you know going forward, uh, what I'm looking for though is projects that are easy to understand, and then also number two, projects that could last, that could be more than just like a one and done thing. I'm looking for things that could be multi-cycle meme coins, and to me this looks like the lowest. This has the most potential at the lowest market cap right now, and um, if we go look at the X account, you can get an idea of the community and how they've really positioned themselves to be the leading baby Pepe right now. Uh, the community has been working really hard. They've hired a team to start making all the artwork, which is really important to have, uh, our own kind of um, our own artwork, because we want to be able to separate. You want to be able to separate yourself from other projects, and one of the best ways to do that is with the artwork. And you can see here that there's like a theme here with baby Pepe, especially like this picture. I like this one a lot because it shows you you get the whole narrative, and it's simple to understand. You can see you have Pepe driving the Ferrari, you have Andy, you got Landwolf, and then you got Brett, and then you got Pepe's son here, baby Pepe, and it's simple to get, and I think that's what I'm looking for, and the easier that it is for people to understand, the easier that people are going to be able to see the vision. So going forward, there's not really much else I want to talk about. I want to just show you another project here that is also one of my. I have a strong conviction in this project as well. This is Brett on Ethereum. Again, this is on Ethereum. Now, there is a Brett on Base, so there are different Bretts. You gotta remember, there's a lot of different Bretts. So you have Brett on Base, which is at 1.5 billion right now. But then you have, if you go to CoinMarketCap, right below it, of course, what do you see? You see Brett on Ethereum, which is sitting at a 13.8 million market cap. Now, to me, Brett on Base is going to do really well, and in 2025, I still think it has a lot of upside potential. But what I do think could happen is once some of these higher cap blue chip meme coins get priced out, well, what's going to happen? People are going to look for the next low cap meme coin that could have the highest upside potential. So I think people are going to think, well, if Brett on Base hit a billion market cap, why wouldn't Brett on Ethereum be able to hit a billion market cap? Also, the fact that Pepe is on Ethereum, so it really is just one trade away to buy Brett on Ethereum. And also, Brett on Ethereum is like a definition of a solid CTO. It's a community takeover. It's been here since the beginning, almost as far back as uh, Pepe. When Pepe was originally made, people are going to look at these things. If you look on Dex Screener, you'll be able to see that Brett on Ethereum was created around the same time that Pepe, and people have pretty much have been calling this as have been saying that this is the OG Brett. So it's nice to see that the community behind Brett on Ethereum has been working really hard. They've been getting listed on some of these really good exchanges here, and if you go look at the X account, you can go follow Brett on Ethereum, and you'll get an idea of how the community and what they've been doing. They've been grinding, and up to now they're getting closer to 14,000 followers. I remember when this was not when it wasn't like this, but now this is exactly what you want to see. Especially you don't want to see these pump and dumps that you see every day, where it's like every other week it's like it's some crazy thing, and then you're like, dang, I missed it, and then it dumps like 95%, and then what you're trying to look for is projects that are building over a long period of time and have a lot of distribution and consolidation, and then it seems like out of nowhere, then they have this massive rip that could have the potential to become like a 500 million market cap coin. So to me, you're looking for something that has time, which is another thing. that you can't fake. You can't really replace that. So seeing how much time that this coin has had to accumulate, or has had holders being able to accumulate, that's something else that you want to look for. But also, to me, Pepe is a multi-cycle meme coin. And if we were to see Pepe after this bull run in the next bull run, um, then it's very possible, that these are going to still, like something like Brett on Ethereum, will still be around, even in the next bull run. So I think both of these projects have a lot going for them. But going forward, I'm going to continue to make videos. I'll continue to keep providing as much value and information as I can related to crypto and meme coins in particular. I hope you guys like this video going forward. I know this is kind of a different. I'm practicing changing the formatting of how I'm talking about these projects, and I hope you guys like this going forward. And I want to keep things positive. I want to keep things, um, as positive as I can, especially with the people who are watching my videos. And going forward, I may start talking about other things besides crypto, maybe like mental health and things that you can do to help as a crypto investor, because I think crypto is highly mental, and it can be very taxing on your mental health. But that's gonna be for another video. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.